Good morning, everyone. It is January 12th for Kyushu Institute of Technology, Tabata Campus for C English. Happy New Year. Okay, let's take a look at what you have to do today. Your textbook task answers are always up, and please make sure that you read those and check them out before your final test. I was telling you about the freshman speech contest. The freshman speech contest voting is now available. And this is something that I want you to do before February 2nd. So this is your due date to do this. Now, how to do it is actually fairly simple, but there are a lot of buttons to push. Okay, so first button that you push is this URL here, and this will take you to a different part of the university's Moodle system. Okay, so first you click this button. And after you click this button, you're going to get a new page, and underneath is the speech contest. Okay, now scroll the speech contest and you'll see that all of these entries are here. And this is where you watch the actual speeches so you can get the information. So for example, if you want to watch this person's speech, here's the video for it. Okay, and if you want to watch the next person's speech, here's the video for that. Okay, and there are 10 videos in total. And what you do after you watch this, okay, is you choose the best speaker from this icon. It says choose the best speaker. So watch all of this, choose the one you like, okay? And then when you choose the best speaker, you have to answer the question. So this is where it starts to get confusing. So let me start that again, okay? Watch all of the videos, choose the megaphone, and you have to choose one more button, answer the questions, okay? Now you get to choose the speaker that you like. Now remember, the videos are on the prior page. This is only for your voting. Okay, so whoever you want to choose, if it's this person, okay, you choose one, and then don't forget, you have to hit this button. If you don't hit this button, your vote doesn't count. Okay, so you have to choose the person that you like and submit your answer. Now, just one more thing to show you, if you have a hard time trying to decide who was the best one, you can get a guide from this sheet here. And the sheet contains this if you download it. So if you open it up, it looks a little bit like this. Let me show you here. Hang on just a second. I'm going to change my share. Okay, and it looks like this. So all of the names of the different people are in here. And then these are all of the things that you can use as a way to make notes for yourself. Now, you don't have to hand this in, okay? You don't have to show this to anybody. You don't even have to use this. But if you need a guide as to what it is that's important, the content in the organization, all of these 4 points, you can use this to calculate your own vote. And then once you calculate your own vote, you can see who's the rankings. And then from there go, oh, my first choice was this person. Okay, well, then that means that I have to go back to the Moodle. And this is the person you choose, okay, from this megaphone, answer the questions. And you choose this person according to that calculation that you made. If you don't want to use that calculation, that's entirely up to you. But the most important thing is that you vote, you do it before February 2nd, and you remember to submit your answers, okay? Okay, let's go back to our Moodle. So that was the 2021 freshman speech contest. As always, you have your textbook, video lecture, and photo upload. Okay, make sure that you send that in by Saturday. And this reading quiz number 2, I actually gave you this on December 8th. So all the way back in this class, class 9. So I moved it to January 12th, so it's a little easier for you to find and to remind you that you still have this reading quiz to do. I think I'll check that one more time. I don't think anyone has done it yet. Yeah, no one has done it yet. So please make sure that you do it sometime around February 3rd. Now, there are parts of the reading quiz that you will probably need to look at the textbook before you do it. But once you've actually done that part of the textbook, once you're confident you can do this, you can take this as many times as you like to try to get the highest grade. But you have to do it by February 3rd. So do that reading quiz, and it's now here. It's no longer in December 8th. If you have any questions, please remember that you can always email me at jdmcruz@gmail.com. Otherwise, you can stay behind in this class and we can talk then. Okay, thanks very much.